Samo because see Kumasa Sante Kotoko midfielders no edonso. Inti sa Kotoko kobobo a den ba kumienu bi nhu omo squad. Me no ka say Kotoko tu afri Kumasi a omo de omo ani eche Swedru. Utufo Nyankopon ya adoma sa Yesu Kristo maye to so mienu na ma kwasi ada ewo Swedru Stadium Asante Kotoko ene Swedru All Blacks na ebo 20-man squad no ewa ha me de Asia ewo fia ha na midfielders no ibi ankobi eno no kre es Baba Yaya amanfo busasa dent na Baba Yaya enka squad no nkomo kakra ye di no me de ebro about the reason nti Baba Yaya ankobi no efisem kakra ha me de bedan wo ene ewo the super no so ye match day 17. This marks the end of the first round of Ghana Premier League 2025-2026. Na fixtures no ewa these fixtures the Kotoko interest wo mu nyina no ebebobo so na ya hwe the way Susan Edeboard jo ebekwa akogu aha ntiase yefie me pacho unsubscribe ya no wa hit the red subscribe button no wa ba adoma so na ya build it together information be pre the wo wi ase na di say yede ba no ene yede ba ha ye filter news no boko social media no so insem bi na ekoso but we make sure say etiefo ene ahwefo mo ha no they deserve the best inti enya daje filter eso ne nsem no ansa na ya be presentation wa into subscribe ya na why hit the red subscribe button no about so now ya build it together. Now join the Kotoko reaction no 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 na yendi kasubom emfa Kumasa Sante Kotoko abubu any atie poem. Without much I do any date no 3rd of January 2026. We are in the new year, new month. So if you can come the can and be say, what is new about this new year? If your mindset is still evil, there is nothing new for you. Until new year ya no bibia shadanse science how na opese bibisi san e wanamuntu ene wadwen pa obeha no ene ne de ensisaye ebebro na de bia mekasa agudie mu nsem no ene sports football ankasa no e de gigi ani ewo ewiase ase echina Kotoko bokoboi eye Kotoko wi ni ani gi ayebenya na ahachi no busa ho se ye kwohemfa nyame asem eye very important enti yemfa message we enante as a light for our path any day and that message any new year no enam pepepe krobi ewo the Pacific Ocean, the central zone of the Pacific Ocean. There is a country which I can say island, yes, ewo a very Kiribati. Now Kiribati they were the first country to enter into 2026. Satamano be a 2026. And I'm saying where they are located, where they are situated, just the central area of the Pacific zone, the Pacific Ocean. It gives them, it makes them ahead of time in terms of the world time. Sorry, I mentioned. And they were the first to enter. Now, omuremu no ena me no ka say third no eventually yenyina no the rest of us we've also entered into 2026. You see, so we are all here. This should tell you about the simple philosophy of life. Kiribati for no, they were the first to enter 2026, but doesn't deny you of the fact and I said the right to also enter 2026. And then wow tie ye nyina no ye wura 2026 no. Nemom no Kiribati krono enedi kan wuram. Ghana be wuram. America dey recently because America time no enso a delay e wa chire kakra because of the situated countries any time zones If you are situated very close to the Pacific Ocean, it is going to give you time ahead of the time zone, world time zone. No? We are all here. We are all here. This should tell you a simple philosophy of life. A simple philosophy of life. Maybe I say me concern no bebre. It's as a light for a path, and then I will super no so. I feel young concern no that much I do. Kotoko. It's a crucial game and very important game. This is the first Kumasi Asante Kotoko game in the 2026 year. There is no excuse for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to win this game. Now, listen, they say a headache, Emma coach. Prince Bedu is eligible to play. However, based on list, I'm in second. Now, I don't know, Minya Henry draw my attention. Prince Bedu, I was subsequently told the same. He is not going to be part of the team, but he was eligible to be part and play. The reason why Prince Bedu is not part of the team, and as I will not be playing, he is eligible. But the reason why maybe he's not going to play, and the fact that he didn't train with the team through the course of the week. That's on Prince Bedu. It's a China game, so one who Prince Bedu are. The explanation is that Prince didn't train with the team, therefore he wasn't really part of the technical team plan or they call any game, because training grounds so we training now. Baba Yaya. No, let me do these stories for you before we move into Baba Yara. There is a DB SC. On say no, and player a friend the day are you a joining team Dutch, which is Knack Brother. You know, can say Knack Brother for no appointed a new coaching staff. Coaching staff now my pointing on a former Ghana striker. A friend of Matthew Amwa. Senior citizens Amwa there. Me show some money Matthew Amwa. Matthew Amwa, a former Black Stars player. Or Sabobo Germany near there and a Dutch also Sako have a stint or appointment or Modi Amano. Sassemu ya kind of Kotoko, appointment or Modi Amano. Matthew Amwa is going to be a strikers coach. He's going to help Dutch for no strikers, no Knack Brother strikers, no forward coach. He's going to help them to score. Once he will goalkeepers trainer, and I'm appointed former Ghana striker Knack Brother for appointed Matthew Amo as Ombeye strikers trainer. Asante Kotoko, a legendary club. Strikers or Mabel Bobo Amakotoko no enya asem Good scoring a problem currently as we speak Wakotoko. And yes, I'm coming winner. But news the banner. I just decided to chip it in. Well, or more say Kotoko no. The way I see it, no, as me who say Isra. Kotoko no, yeah, or more Kotoko no. Kotoko is huge. It should be managed well. And maybe on say moving forward, no, we are going to get there. Sakotoko striker coach and insane. So that will be sharpened strikers. I tell you, strikers cry injury. Yellow cards bar, you bet my train you'll be on the striker. This is the modern day football. Okay. And the Ammo Matthew Amo about to say, oh, yeah, strikers coach or Knack Brother. I will send me Ato Azizki a whack player. As a whack for the Kotoko the ball confederation, we Kotoko free. Azizki, Burkina knee striker be no dignity. The back young son. Information about our baby. A very sad news. Azizki currently or Afcon now or Boma Burkina and I will same way and so atom. Was there Koulibaly so and they weekend intimate news no update be or will be a bro. Koulibaly any player be friend David Dozo Enza and a buy. See Kotoko making it clear say David Dozo Enza ne dey sign on because player no cry trials no we jaya was called Ivory Coast and also need latest kakra or say me dey a down. Now Ghana Premier League no match the 17 fixtures no say na a tier for the weekend we anam the Kotoko Leicester e ko Swedru no mo tika bo sisi e ko na me dey amount na ya sorry nkonya so Hoho United and the Lions and run on my boy a 0-0 and say Lions that from say team Lions winning game at check inti no now media man any house of folk a china a babaso this particular game Kotoko interest womb has for Edda Kotoko echi by 2 or 7 points and I say positions. Now, game we know. I will say a draw. Media man na. Say media man in Lady Ghana Premier League. No, me I grant a house for share media man. Kotoko your British rivals. House of folk, but to me, house and share media man. Ni ensu share Swedru. A best is a top position. Yes, me made a sign me penal. So I know side game na chine baba so TV3 ni onua. Na fi Swedru Stadium Kotoko ne Swedru All Blacks e bebo. Unfortunately, as at now, the confirmation man say born the TV so. Yes. Because already we 2 games. It's Ghana the problem was about ye more na Accra, ye more ni Kumasi, ye more no maybe say Kotoko ne ko Brikuma na bichima na say Kotoko na ko edin say bebe TV so. Swedru based on an information I say can edin say bebe TV so. But YouTube ya be sure so be ahwe. Nations FC and Karela and the be yam so. You interest whom because you interest whom I was a Nations we need to game no. Because Nations FC na no yare you find the player I friend no. Prince Badu Emmanuel Alonso nkomodi na kire se economy pa. It's Nations ye tutu omo team ne sa no na e say e bompa say o mewi ni obohom one Karela ne bebo. Dreams FC and the Basake Holy Stars. A pa enye 100 ne obi amfa ho. Dreams FC and the Basake Holy Stars. Game no obi ani edi nchire. O me be omonye. 11 Wonders. Techima 11 Wonders. And the baby any go Stars. Your interest wom. Techima 11 Wonders for also mo share baby any go Stars. Baby any go Stars for no omunya league na ombeje. Omuntimi nje. As a motata, Tony and the game also call lose say team. It's a no game way, 11 Wonders win. But Chelsea United ni breakum Chelsea. You share any interest with but Kotoko ni bechem good alliance. Now you share any 6. It is a woko fi no nko share breakum Chelsea. Breakum Chelsea nso nke ani omo the BCBI. Adriana any vision and ebebo. Adriana any vision. And also you interest with Adriana say when you league no beje. Atapuku can sense bize o money ni so but hey. Atapuku we be say psychological say mind games. It's Adriana vision mo kobo draw na Kotoko ni Adriana no Kotoko miem. Na final fixture no Samates and a young apostle. Ba ko pa won hye no 200 ne obi amfa ho. Any interest bia. Yes. Kotoko squad ni Kotoko squad ni Amose baba yaya adentisa coach na afa na nka ho. Amini kan chichiri mu kakra. Coach Abdulkarim Zito say we a coach no West. Or say squad sa at the frontier o choose say we never no. Training grounds for week no. Game plan na why na we say or the beko opponent. One say be only has for na koba. We deploy game plan we say has for there. Or more wings warning ye. I will operate on the wings based on the game plan or the bewura coming game no. Any training na beko so that week no. And or the choose the 20-man squad. So based on Coach Abdulkarim Zito, and I'm the explanation, man. Enti, yenne Swedru game no, if Baba Yaya is out, coach say based on training ground performance in relation with the game planner or the kobo. It's a Baba Yaya anymore, that's the reason. And you say, ntokwa bi na aba, and you say Baba Yaya pride, and I say, nye issue be and no. Aziz Aruna, Dari, and a Kamara, Zakaria Fuseni, Emmanuel Entry, eka ho. Johnson afama no eka ho. Lawson eka ho. Joseph Amua eka ho. Yes. Emisa, the young chap, Emisa also eka ho. Walid Nema Fuseni eka ho. And Kwame Puku eka ho. Peter Amidu Akwa eka ho. Lord Amua eka ho. Seth Kwedo eka ho. Esiedu eka ho. And Hilary Adabo eka ho. Hubert Joe eka ho. And Musa Hamzata eka ho. The captain of the side, Samba Una eka ho. Joseph Amua eka ho. Henry Ansu eka squad na eko eno ho. So Kubasa Sante Kotoko Matchday sheet no. I'm told say does Asante Kotoko squad or the air travel for this encounter against Swedru All Blacks. Utumfo Nyankopon ya doma kwasiada ewo Swedru Stadium no. TV stations are a big game no. It could be say Match TV ebiti but any confirm. Unia any TV3 there as at now the confirmation is not fully official, so let's rely on Match TV and the YouTube channels now.